Mangroves are really important because they link the sea and the land. And they are an ecosystem full of biodiversity, and they help other ecosystems that are around the mangrove forest. They are endangered because in the last 50 years, we have saw a decrease of mangroves of 20 to 35% worldwide. More than half the mangroves here in Mahawan that have been destroyed since like 2000. If we talk about climate changes, mangrove forests help a lot mitigating those changes because they have the highest sequestration of carbon per area compared to any other ecosystem, either marine or terrestrial. But the people need to be sensibilized about mangroves. Currently, there is a lack of education on the importance of mangroves. So that's why Mares is currently working on a sensibilization campaign, and we are hopeful that maybe it will allow us to have more authorization and begin restoration. The biggest problem is authorization from the landowner. Mares is providing for the survey of the land to know if the restoration is possible or not, and also they will take action to restore them.